karon atong pagka-iskutan mga
Bye, ma'am.
membro sa Dota Boys nga walaing gwapo rin sa Marinol. So, sugdan nato na siya sa dili pagdugay kay gamay ra ang time sa atong cellphone ha. Karon sige, let's begin.
Ang cameraman.
Ang cameraman, sige. And the orator. Yes. Yes. And
Bye, sir.
our advisor, Mr. Elmer Cusit, Senior. Going to capture some members of the Dota Boys.
Ayaw ka mag-uyog.
Sila ka?
Alam. Focus ay, focus.
Rak, pinalingi, Rak.
Lak, pinalingira ka.
Lingi mo. Ay, sinagsa. That Mr. Inad is the one who are using Nikes and Dota. Mr. Hinon. Wala yung sus boy. Rapper ba na sa ginagmay? The best couple for this school year 2006-2007.
Sir Balduesa.
And Miss Sima Franca.
Yeah. Bye. Wala pa siya, pigi na, pigi.
Dagan.
Mga classmate na mo. Babay na.
Dagan na. Rak!
Lingi, guys. Lingi mo tulo.
Silang tulo mo na sila ang Dota Extreme players. The Fisherman. Si Ray Albert Kabutahe using Ray Gore. Derner Sertahon. The one who are using, sa ito yung ginagamit?
Start. Anong pagsulti sa pangalan, hands up ha? Ray Albert Kabutahe. Pero mo?
Ito na po. The man in red. Frank Leland Dubido Ula. Yeah. And Mr. Commander Solon. The user of
Paborito mga dalon karon.
user of Night
Di ba? Pinatik-tik ko.
Night Stalker Balanar. German Seto. The best player of run in Maniki. He has the top rank of the best level up game in 2007 run online game.
Sure. But unfortunately, his character was deleted by somebody who is jealous to him.
Yeah. And let's focus to the tower of DOTC. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness of how the DOTC has began to introduce.
The OTC, that is not good.
Yeah.
This is good. That is Derner.
Dota Boy. In this moment,
Rock.
we're going to play Dota, and let's watch out on how the defenders will defeat. She is Miss Abby Corpus. Jeremy Kisiya de la Abby Ramos. Yeah. Bye-bye. The DOTC, yes.
And we, the director of the cameraman,
And Jones Baya, the orator.
yes, thank you.
And Franklin Verdino.
Again and again, thank you.
The most religious man. Janet Inad. The church. There is I see the church. And the bell. Over there. Ako na pa video guys. Over there.
Sa likod.
He is Arjun Masito. Marvin Solon. Yes. The big head. Very, very, very big. I can't remember how he is shooting for that moment that his head had become so big. Yeah. I've seen the church. The church. That's the church.
Do not enter.
Do not enter. Remat.
Jom. Baya. Gusto ka kang rematch?
Loe kay bay og sumbago nang agtanga magisi yan na bay tahon. Na magawas sila tinaiya na. Katong sa una nako gisumbag ning lugwa ang mata, luoy kayo.
Mr. Inad, what can you say about the Sumbagay of Baya?
No comment. No, I didn't see in the newspaper that Jose Maria and Opao Insigne is punching bag. No, wrong. But that's true. I see this fight, huh? That's good.
Yeah, ikaw din. I am the man. I am the champion. I am the man of steel. I can say about it.
Nganong natumba man ka?
Because of the coconut tree hanging on the ground. Yeah.
That's true. Okay.
Yo, Mr. Ola, what can you say about the fight of Baya and Insigne?
I am handsome.
Mr. Kabutahe, what can you say about the fight of Baya?
He's a nice one.
You, Mr. Mansueto,
Very bad.
Mr. Tahon,
What?
I don't think so.
what can you say about the fight of Baya and Mr. Insigne?
Oh, it was very good, man.
Up to Mr. Balbesa.
Yes, I do.
Wait,
Next fight, man. Next fight.
Mr. Solon, what can you say about the fight of
Mr. Baya.
He's broken his face.
That was not good. Her face is broken.
You haven't seen my comment yet.
Oy, yo, Mr. Ola.
Huh?
What is your question again and again and again?
What is your comment about the fight of Baya and Insigne?
I'm not a commentator. So, this is my advice.
I don't think so.
No.
Advisor.
I am not an advisor. I know. I am a pupil. And you know, I am here like a flower in the rain. Over and over again.
All I can say.
Please. Please prepare a coffin for here. For him, pala. Please prepare a coffin.
What you tell us about?
What happened at the school?
Yes, I do.
Who's that girl?
Maria. Oh, so delicious, ah.
Ubus na. Ubus na.
Meron pa.
Kanina lang.
Sige. Tira, Jay. Stop na, Jay.